Hello guys, welcome back to extend video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to remove a copyright claim was made on this sound on TikTok app. So how to fix this type of error on TikTok. First of all, you as can see change sound button, tap on this change sound button, and after that you as can see show other sound without copyright claim. You as can see from here you select any one sound, and after select any one sound tap on your post button, tap on post, and after post this video open your profile, tap on your profile icon. From here search for your error video, scroll down and search for this your error video, this video. You as can see tap on this video. From here you as can see notification uploading video with a new sound, and after uploading your error will be fixed. If the video is helpful then like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.